Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about another method in the string class called isEmpty. So let's see how isEmpty method of the string class in Java works. So let's create a string variable. You can give any name to the variable. This is just out of habit that I take every variable name of when I'm making a string variable, I give the name str. You can have any name. Just make sure that all the letters should be in uh, lowercase. So str, let's say I am learning Java. Now I want to see, by just looking at it, we can say that this string is not empty. Okay, that there is something in the string. There is some content in the string, and the content is I am learning Java. So this string is not empty, but programmatically we have to check it whether it is empty or not. So computer has its own way of understanding and doing things. So for that, isEmpty method is there to figure out if the uh, string is empty or not. So let's apply isEmpty method on this string str dot is. You can see in the option box empty. Yeah, and I keep saying this, that every time we have to print something on the console, we have to write a print statement. So in Java it is system.out.println, right? So end with semicolon. Now this is just 2-line program. What it does is just uh, gives us that this str is empty or not. Now the return type of this method is boolean. That is, it can either return true or false. So if the string is empty, it will return true. If the string has some content in it, it will return false. So we are hoping that it is, since it is not empty, it will return false. So let's see. False. You can see here. Now I'll make another string str1, and I'll just an empty string. So I will comment this and copy it from here only. So let's check if the empty string, if isEmpty method is applied on an empty string, what is the value? So it should give true, right? Because the string is empty. It does not have any content. Save it. Java application. So true. Yeah. So is empty? Yes. Just it's like a question. Is empty? Yes, it's empty. So I hope you like the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment what video you want to see next. Thanks, and see you next time.